I am Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, and today we're solving the job market puzzle. Is it really getting better? We have the numbers and insights for the week. Stay tuned. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve issued its latest edition of the Beige book. The latest release reveals that despite an array of headline data suggesting all is well, growth appears to be cooling at the grassroots level of the economy. Most districts indicated economic growth was modest. The Federal Reserve said, adding that businesses in nearly all regions renewed their previously unfulfilled expectations that wage growth will slow broadly in the near term. The general trend towards slowing inflation that's been in play for months seems evident throughout most Fed districts, with the Beige book noting, most districts reported price growth slowed overall, decelerating faster in manufacturing and consumer goods sectors. Although Fed Chair Jerome Powell reiterated recently that the central bank remains concerned about inflation and open to considering additional rate hikes, it's widely expected that policymakers will leave rates unchanged when they meet later this month. The Beige book may point to slowing economic growth across the country, but you wouldn't know it from the Institute for Supply Management's latest Services Purchasing Managers Index. On Wednesday, the ISM revealed that services PMI in August rose to 54.5 from 52.7 in July, beating consensus estimates. Economists polled by Reuters had expected the index to decline from July's reading and land at 52.5. The August number is the highest since February and puts a little more daylight between the index and the key threshold of 50, which distinguishes expansion from contraction in the services sector. Finally, there were a lot of eyes on this week's initial unemployment claims report. Initial claims fell last week by 13,000, down to 216,000. Economists polled by the Wall Street Journal were expecting to see claims rise by 2,000 jobs. This marks the fourth week in a row that unemployment claims have fallen and suggests the labor market may not be ready to wave the white flag just yet. That wraps up this week's Economic Buzz. Stay tuned for next week's deep dive into more financial headlines. This is Devlin Steele for Augusta Precious Metals, signing out.